Alright, so here I have installed a new cable. That stainless steel 719 cable. That means that there are 7 main strands, and each of those strands is wrapped up by 19 tiny little strands. That is what the OEM John Deere parts catalog says is the right cable for this. So I just bought this off the internet. I got 15 feet of it for about $8, and that was a lot more reasonable than buying 58 inches from John Deere. But here we are. So I installed it with stainless steel hardware, and we're getting closer to being ready for the winter.